going on, guys? Before you get into it and be like, oh, Cam, where have you been? I've been busy trying to figure out what I want to do in my life and all the rest of it, but that's okay, don't stress. We're going to get focused into car stuff again. It's been a while, but we're going to get back into it all. I've just been super busy. That's honestly the truth, just super busy. But this episode, we are going to be doing the bonnet, because, you know, I've wanted to do it for a while, and it's just been sitting here on the car. So we're going to take it off and get it in the shed. I won't video me taking it off because it's going to be hard, but we're going to get that sorted, get that in the shed, and we're going to have to bog a few areas, not too much, and fix a few things on it, but that's about it. So alrighty, so as you can see, it's a bit dirty. I need to clean it up a bit, but there's little chips just like that, small little chips. I think the camera's focusing on them. Just on the corners, just one on the side here, and on these back corners as well. I'm in the mix between resin filling them, or do I just straight send it and pretty much just use bog on it? I don't know. Get rid of that. But yeah, just clean it all up, make it look nice, and paint it in the same color as my car. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing right now. There we go. I've already wiped it down. This is just sanding it to get rid of all the rest of the shit. Now this is a wet sand, because I don't want to use heat sandpaper on it. It's not a huge job. Pretty much just to scratch the surface for the primer, clean off any grit that's on there. I'll give it another wipe down once it's once I've gone over everything. I already started a little bit. I was on this side already, and I was like, you know what, these guys might actually want to see some content. But anyway, alright. Let it dry for a sec, and we'll get on to doing some bogging and stuff, hey? Alrighty, whilst I'm waiting for the bonnet to dry, I've got some of this old mesh laying around. So I'm gonna give her a quick clean up. I'm gonna use the brush over there. Just give her a good clean over. And probably lay down, do I have some here? Should have some somewhere. It's metal cast paint somewhere, but it'll be metal cast paint. It'll be in the orange that's in the engine bay that's there at the moment. So same orange. And it'll just make it pop a little, I think, because black on the orange. It's either that or do I go black on black? Fuck it, I might as well try the orange. Why not? We'll try the orange, because we can. Why not? Alright. Well, I'll give this a clean up and then I'll start spraying and stuff. Alrighty, so found the metal cast ground coat. There's my orange paint there, metal cast. Just gotta give it a good old shake. Jesus. Once we're done, pop off that little lid there. All right. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the difference much. And I'm gonna do both sides purely because you will see both sides. And I want it to look good. This can's not the best, it's leaking, but that's alright. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna grab a lid of me mush mate. I don't know how much is a little bit, but you know, just a little bit. That should do for now, I'm assuming. Not a good workbench, but you know, she's right. Hopefully. Snail trail, straight through the center. Look at that, fuck it, that'll do. Alright. Put that back on there. All I want to do... Oh, this is hard. I've lost me fucking head stuff, like my head mount. So now, I'm gonna have to fucking try and sort out my way. Just look at this. I'll probably look at everything. That's much good now, I think. Alrighty. Fuck off. So, for those small little spots, like that, just want to fill them pretty much. Try not to leave too much excess. Same with that one. Pretty much just want to fill it. Small one on the side there. Just want to fill it. You don't want to leave too much excess on there. Otherwise it'll become a pain. Now, these corner bits, I'm just gonna try. I might have to leave a little bit extra on there because I'm gonna have to reshape that. It's the same with the back ones. This one's not too bad. This is just a little bit of a touch up. This is the same thing, touch up. That's on top. That's alright. Anything on the side? I'm just going here. Little touch up. And that's. Oh jeez. That's my name. That's pretty much it. Rolling thing. Going a little too much, that's fine. Everywhere else, pretty much the same down. I think steering areas. Just try to get. Mostly close field. Yeah. Just hold the dense. Anything like that look. Not very nice. I'm still not same also. Same flat. Make it look nice. All these. Just try to get as possible. And it's done. We're on so I'm going to see that. I think that's pretty much it, really. Yeah. That's it. It wasn't actually that hard. Alrighty. It's going to be a bit loud because I've got the air compressor going. But, so pretty much, this is all set to go. I've sanded off all the bog bits that I needed to. I've bogged up all the little corners, sanded them back. They're all ready to go. It just needs to be primed. And then, yeah. She's on her way. Well, another morning. It's fucking cold, as you can see. But she's all painted. I've put in the mesh. Looking clean. Yeah. She's ready to go in the car. As I said, because I can't find my head camera mount, and I'm doing this by myself, it's a bit hard to try and set up the camera in areas because I've only got a little handle on this. I don't actually have a stand for it either. I need to get a tripod still. But I'll get it on the car and I'll show you guys what it looks like on the car as well. I didn't do too much painting with the camera because yeah, I just didn't really focus on that at the time. I was kind of a bit stupid, but you know, that's fine. We can sort out more. Like, I still got more to paint, still got that door to paint, but that's all good. Alright, so the last bit of the footage was actually fucking corrupted and that was great. But this is the bonnet on the car. It did actually look a lot cleaner when it was first done. In the sun, it glistens, it looks fucking sick. But the file corrupted on the GoPro for some reason. But yes, anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry there was a lack of, like, you know, me not spray painting and stuff. I'm still trying to find my fucking head mount at the moment. But as soon as we get all that sorted, I'll be able to, you know, show you guys me actually spray painting something, because you guys didn't get to see me paint my car. But as I said, I've got a door, I've got a full Mugen kit I've got to do. So there's still heaps. There's still a wide range of things I'm going to be doing. I'll still be painting rocker covers. We've got like 5 Civics now, okay? So there's going to be a lot of content. So keep in tune, alright? And stay fucking positive and have a good fucking time. Peace.